I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make glutinous flan. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 4 large eggs, and half a cup of sugar. Also, have a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Make sure your molds are greased and your steaming setup is prepared. This simple recipe promises a delightful dessert. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of granulated sugar with 2 tablespoons of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, resisting the urge to stir. Watch it closely as it transforms into a rich, golden amber color. Once it reaches that perfect hue, immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into the bottom of your individual flan molds. This step sets the stage for a truly delicious treat. Next, we'll prepare the creamy flan batter. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs and half a cup of sugar until the mixture is light and slightly frothy. Then, slowly whisk in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, followed by 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, ensuring there are no lumps. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance all the wonderful flavors. Now for the final cooking step. Carefully pour your prepared flan mixture over the caramel in each mold. Place the molds into a steamer basket over simmering water. Steam the flans for approximately 30 to 40 minutes or until they are firm to the touch. Once cooked, let them cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. When ready, simply invert them onto a plate and enjoy your perfectly smooth, sweet glutinous flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.